Okay, this is how to fix a rough idle on a Toyota forklift. This one's a 2014. There wasn't very many things on the computer, on the internet, that showed what to adjust and how to adjust it. I got it figured out though, so I wanted to share this with anybody having the same issue. Oh, there's an adjustment on the regulator valve for the LP gas. And it is right there. Let me start it back up and I'll show you how to fix it. Simply there. This right here is the adjustment. You'll have to turn it counterclockwise, probably half to 3/4, maybe more, and it idles smooth now.